Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. And press the bell icon for latest notification for out latest videos. Ironing a shirt is not as simple as it sounds. First things first, you must have a good idea of your iron. Small, cheap irons are fine for students and those who need to carry one on the go, but on a day-to-day basis, they need something much more robust. A textured plate will distribute heat better than a flat steel plate, and non-stick technology will keep your iron looking good in case you misjudge which setting to use for a synthetic fabric. Your iron also needs a good point at the tip, as a blunt tip iron will not give decent definition to shirt cuffs or shoulders. I'd also say you should know your consumer rights and keep your warranty close at hand, as a leaking iron is incredibly frustrating. However, please note that your iron is not leaking if it is at a low temperature and you are trying to use the steam function. In fact, some materials marketed as iron-free need a quick overhaul, but you must be careful as these synthetic fabrics will be destroyed if your iron is too hot. Cotton and linen should be ironed at much higher temperatures to obtain the desired effect. When ironing a shirt, you should first start with the shoulder panel on the back. Hook one shoulder over the end of the ironing board and iron before walking to the other side of the table to hook the second shoulder to complete the panel. Then you should continue down the back, but remember, some shirts have a pleat between the shoulders. Before moving on to the front panels, to keep this crease pristine, use your hands to flatten it exactly in the right place and hold the iron up to press. Iron the front panels in turn, press the collar and then the end part as the sleeves. Some people don't like to bend the upper arm. If you are one of these people, you should ignore the seams. Place the shirt arm with the seam under the arm and press the iron down. Find the seam again and lay it horizontally on your body as you normally would, but do not use the iron near the upper arm where you just ironed, otherwise you will end up ironing in a crease. Finally, undo the cuffs and with the tip of the iron the cuff instead of through it. Put it on a hanger and voila!